We like to show you the possibilities for Beckhoff and Riedel communication in the theater space, concert space, theme parks, or other entertainment applications. For this, we are showing here the RRCS integration on the Beckhoff side to communicate with various Riedel devices. And for example, we can generate error messages. We have here an error which we can generate.
Switching cabinet A. Circuit breaker F1 tripped.
And we are generating now an error message which we pre-programmed in the Beckhoff system, and you can, as a system integrator, dynamically generate various error messages which can be sent as an audio signal into the Riedel system. You can also have control over LED control panels, which you can control via a Beckhoff terminal, where each pixel is individually controllable. You can also have dimming functionality here, which can be coming from a Beckhoff control device, from a Riedel control device. Yeah? And this is all fully integrated. You can use that in the theaters for stage machinery desks, for other smaller applications, for control lights, for light cues, for audio signals, and furthermore. The Beckhoff system has over 1,000 different I/O signals available for getting data into and out of the system. We are supporting also motors and other devices for automation, so there's a lot of freedom for you as a system integrator. We have realized a couple of projects worldwide already. For more information, check out our website.